guys, welcome back to Inspired to DIY. In today's video, I'll be sharing how I was able to transform an old mirror to a vanity mirror with LED light. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get into it. This is the mirror that I'll be using for the project. Is a 32 by 32 inch. Next, I'll need those mini party balls from Dollar Tree. They come 12 in a pack, so I'll be using 4 packs of them. I will also be using matte Podge, chunk glitters, silver glitter, and also some white glitter. We will also need a plate and some brushes. To make it a lot easier to use, I'll be putting some matte Podge into the plate, and I will also be mixing the glitters in this empty glitter bottle. Next, what I'll do is I will scoop some Mod Podge with the paintbrush, brush it down in the bottom section of the mini bowls, and sprinkle some glitter on. This process will be repeated for all the 4 packs of my 12 mini bowls. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you're here for the first time, go ahead, subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next DIYs. And once I was done, I took a dry brush and brushed off all the excess glitters. Before moving forward, I'm using electrical tape to cover the board that was at the back of the mirror. I'll be using All Adhesive to glue all the mini balls around the border of the mirror. I left very little space between the balls because I want it to look like a one piece. I continued the step until the smaller balls made a frame for the mirror. Next, I'll go ahead and use this LED light that I got from Amazon to put all around the border of the mirror. The LED light is already self-adhesive. I'll go ahead and position it on the electrical tape that I previously put around the border of the mirror. So now let's go ahead and connect it to the power to see how it lights up. Oh my gosh, the LED light is so bright and so vibrant. I really love it, and I really like that it came up with a controller. You can either have it really bright or you can dim the light. Then the final step I'll take is mixing 2 parts of epoxy, part A and part B, so I can go ahead and seal off the glitter of my little mini balls. I give it a little stir, and down the line to continue the process, I'll be using a mini paintbrush to brush up the epoxy all over the glitter on the mini balls. This turned out so beautiful. I'm happy that I was able to transform a frameless mirror into a vanity desk mirror. I really like the shimmery of the glitter, and the LED light makes everything pops. I hope you guys did enjoy this project as well. If so, give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.